Lunch is served.
Lunch is served. Let me just vision. She wants a vision.
Amsha is baking for us. These are going into the oven. Banana mix, yeah. First tray out, and yeah, the rest will come, guys.
Here are my muffins, mini muffins that I made myself. Look how delicious they look. We are gonna be eating these out. Bye! Oh my god. They look so good. Okay, so like a mama.
I have a baker in the house, guys. How nice. How nice. So I was gonna make flapjacks. I was gonna manje this.
And I make the delicious eggs.
We make delicious eggs. Sasa. So this is tumble. Okay. Alright, guys. I'm still cooking Sunday dish. Oh, I haven't opened up this vlog. I don't even know who's with me in vlog, guys. I am literally... Yeah, you can give the boys. I'm literally like, I don't know, I'm out of my element or angas, guys, but I do have a vlog. I edited it. Being eating a lona izolo. I was exporting it yesterday, and then what happened? My space, and I was like, ugh, la la la. So I don't know. I think I'll just post it tomorrow as we Monday, because today is Sunday. So yeah. I'm cooking marinated chicken, yenze the coleslaw. Mbeki butternut manje, rice, yeah, and then that's it. Having my wine, and yeah, it's quite dark. Very dark, sir.
You see, on this cake, it's nice. Look at it inside.
What do you think of Amshi's cakes?
10 out of 10. 100
Hundreds. This is our lovely dessert. Omslet decided to go an extra mile and do this. And guys, it tastes good. It tastes good. Thank you, Omne. It's yogurt and banana. And then nala makeka wa bakile. Yebo? Better ya makeka la wa bakile, guys. Better ya banana loaf. Yeah. But this is so good. Okay. If flavor le yogurt, it's also banana, né?
I think so.
Yeah, it is. Too good, you guys. I think I'm going to get some good repair. Because I'm including guys. I was taking wine out of the fridge, so I had the salad next to it, and then as I don't wine, now is salad jam ewa, guys. Pihleleleni my coleslaw. Nesitsha sami inkosi yami. Oh, saphuka kwaba kuphela kwe coleslaw, kwaba kuphela kwesitsha. I had to do another one. My heart, but it's like, don't cry over spilt milk. Isn't all. It's as Kalel. So yeah, it's okay though. I made another one. Yeah, so being eating the all out things about beetroot no. Yeah, so I made butternut, coleslaw, rice, and chicken. I gravy to give a sauce, and that's it. Or the mayonnaise, and that's it. I'm done, guys. And that's it. I'll show you when I dish up, or I'll show you my plates particularly. Okay, guys. Here's dinner, guys. Dinner is served. I tried shem. Katzel. Lento bengithi ngiyoyenza angiyenzanga, but this is dinner. Happy eating.
What you want?
I'm starting the vlog. Hey guys, welcome to a new vlog. Welcome to a new vlog. Welcome to a new day of this vloggity vlog. I'm making slab chips. Hey, when's on when lap? We let the lap. I'm making slab chips, and Omhle is making
spicy noodles.
some spicy noodles. Yeah, we're making a challenge, Nina. Oh. When it's by the time the start, it's always so pale. So we're having a slow day, guys. Yeah,
Wait, it was a couple of like
So
pizza hug.
So yeah, guys, we've had such a slow morning, and it's been so blissful. We watched the movie, dozed off. You didn't club it, those are off. Yeah, must be the movie. So we dozed off,
Guys,
and
sorry. Let me tell you, everyone was sleeping. Mom, Ryan, Daddy, except for me and CJ. CJ was
you guys didn't sleep.
No, CJ was on his phone.
Well, get with CJ.
Mama, we watched 2 movies.
Yeah. Well, we fell asleep.
A 2-hour movie and a 1-hour movie. So you slept for 3 hours, Mama.
So we're hungry now. So that's lunch. Goodness, what did we have for breakfast, Gun?
For breakfast, nothing. Hey guys.
Nothing. In the morning we had fried rice. Yes, I remember. I made myself a rice salad bowl. They had fried rice with leftover. Yeah, leftover food. Yes, that's what we had. Alright, nothing. Anyway, I'm making the slab chips. Omhle is making the noodles, and then I'm going to be cooking for dinner. I'm making mince and spaghetti. Welcome to a new vlog, guys. We are the Abrahams. Hope you stay. Hope you like, you comment, and subscribe. Let me continue making these chips, and yeah, that's it. Do you even like the peri peri spice? Yeah, you think so. Bye-bye. Nana.
You didn't see that? And the boots go fast. Are you guys serious?
Cause we've had so much pain and we've shared so much sorrow. But we've had no joy tomorrow.
Guys, vlog, look at this.
This. You don't let us get right now.
My algorithm is
Good ass. Shit.
Dinner is served, y'all. Hi beautiful people, welcome to a new day of this vloggity vlog. I'm reporting live from home. I'm at home, guys, in Sekaya. Here are the kids. I am about to plait my hair. My niece is gonna do my hair because wow. Wow. Okay, thank you. So yeah, that's my family pictures. But after, guys. Right now, this is the before. Okay. Look at the color of my hair. Look at the color of my hair, guys. Because I bleach and then I dye black after I bleach. And then my hair, yeah, is breaking. But yeah, let us braid, and I'll see you guys when I am done.
Bye. I just ate some cracker snacks. That's why I have a paper.
What do you say?
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe.
If you don't, you have a spider under your bed.
Just
Okay,
kidding.
guys, just clean again. I think it's 12. So yeah.
If you do, you get to good luck tomorrow. Those YouTube shots, if you don't know them, search them.
Okay. Later, guys.
One
Anyway.
They're attacking! Attack! These people don't have space to go all the way here to get some.
Absolutely, no problem.
We're getting there. But at what cost? At what cost? But we're getting there, guys.
Mama, nimpatala mani talk. How to go share that too?
Mari headline yona ayikho. Headline ayikho. We're on a break because seslambile, guys. You know lezam zibuhlungu kanjani. Zibuhlungu iheadline yam shem. It's not that okay, it's bad, but MPL oil ngathi yasebenza nyana bathu, guys. Akufanani ya. Can't wait to be done. And the lab will soon come. Why don't I sing?
Bon appetit.
Very sophisticated.
Thank you.
Yeah, finish it.
My sister, hi. Mama, aku pun cerita siapa bukan. Thank you for the food. Thank you for the food. Thank you for the tea.
So we are sweet. I go. Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome to, what day is it today? Wednesday. I'm about to make porridge. So let's make some porridge. Yeah, ngilale.
Silk and then set with his wash.
Ah, never is. Hello, beautiful people. Let us do my skincare. It's a tipsy skincare. I'm having. No, it was a good say. Let's drink Lela Irid. Let us start. Guys, why? Okay, why I left maybe no corporate too, guys. I'm a retired corporate girly, and at 35, and I retired because I started working when I was 17 years old. So you can only imagine I'm 35 now. So there was no way that I could continue any further. I say I'm retired, but honestly, I'm on a break, you know. In all the years from 17 years old up until now, the longest that I've been unemployed was almost 12 months, but didn't get to 12 months. Let me say 9 months that I was unemployed. Let me pause and wash my face, and then I'll be back.
That's long.
Okay, face washed. Cal is showering in the background, guys. So manizwa amanzi, that's him. Aibo, manje what? So you can only imagine, guys. I'm putting in my toner now. I still haven't got my cotton pads. My cotton pads are finished, but this is the toner I'm using. So y'all can only imagine. So y'all can only imagine. It's been so long for me. That is the soap. I mean, you do the calculations, you know, from 17 up until now, the longest that I haven't worked. Because there was some times when 1 month, 2 months, for the entire time, rounded up, it's been a year. Lapo, Ebengi, Gatsvinzikon. So from 17 years old up until 35 years old. Crazy as well. I don't look 35. I know. Yeah. I'm having gin and energy drink. Cal mixed it up for us. Also, guys, it's not a pleasant time for us, because Calvin's uncle passed away. But yeah, that's that on that. And then gonna go in with my Nivea cream. So yeah, understand that guys. So yes, I say that I'm retired, you know, because I'm going to pressure on myself, because just now I'll be job hunting. So what I'm saying is that I'm on a break, right? I am on a break. I'm so sorry. I am on a corporate break. Trust me, I love corporate. I absolutely love corporate. I enjoy it. Mara nkatela uba exploited, because after all these years, corporate hasn't done much for me, and I hate that, you know. I'm not doing my neck because I want to jump into the shower after this, and then I'll do my neck then. So guys, man, as a using though,
You gonna jump in the shower with me?
I might just. So as a using the guys, like you need to take care of yourself, and as a using the as balig, I understand that the unemployment rate is very high, but my mental health comes first. The last job that I was at, it was not for me. I stayed there almost a year, and it wasn't working out for me. I cannot be in an environment like that, you know. And yeah, for me now, I didn't even see growth up, so that's why. Let me go fetch my face mask. I want to put it on as well. I'll be back. I am back. This is my skin. I'm so shine. Sip, sip. I got this turmeric face mask for R5. As I always say, skincare doesn't have to be expensive. So yeah. So yeah, guys, izinto like funeka wena uzicabangele, wena uzinakekele, because if you don't do that, uzoba nenkinga. I trust and believe that when I am ready to go back, because I believe that I will go back to corporate, it's just that I needed to find myself again. I needed to figure out what it is exactly I want and yabo. So I couldn't do that in a space where I felt uti angikushap lapayana correct. Honestly, it was just not working out. Ooh, this thing is so slippery. Yo, it's slippery anjan. It's slippery, guys. I learned. I've never tried a turmeric mask before. It is soggy. It is so soggy. Okay, it feels so good. Oh, I'm getting lemon. So yeah, look, guys, it's going to something a super spectacular. It's just that. So honest with you, one day I will do a real story time about how like when I started working, where I started working, how it went, this, that, and the other. Lentally weird. Like the face mask, it's really weird for me. It's not doing the things it's supposed to do because it is so slimy. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna leave this on. Jumping into the shower now, and then I'll see you guys when I'm done. But this is my skincare routine. I did my hair yesterday. My nephew did my hair. My niece, my sister's daughter did my hair for me. So I'll show you guys. Listen to you guys sing sharp. How do I look? So right now we're just refreshing because the Soul 7, as I mentioned, that unfortunately Cal's uncle has passed on, so we are here. But guys, I'm not gonna vlog the funeral, as I should have last week. This is a funeral last week, and I said I'm not gonna vlog the funeral. I'm gonna vlog bits of us as managing the skincare. I'll vlog that, but to vlog the actual funeral, I'm not gonna do it because that's not what the channel is about. That's not what it's for. And also it's important to respect people and their privacy. I can't put my camera in there. Taking pictures is different because we're creating memories as family members, because I think that is about clean. But to actually video record and put them up on my channel is insane, you know. So for me now, that's not my vibe. I don't want to do that. Except I vlogged a bit of me making porridge, and then I forgot to vlog mang pagum dog. How crazy. But yeah, that's fine. Let me jump into the shower, get dressed, and then I'll talk to you guys when I'm dressed and look different. I'm gonna leave this on for 15 minutes. Turmeric. It feels so good, like turmeric. It does cleansing and oil control, brightening and repair, anti-allergy and anti-acne. Turmeric face mask, plant extracts complex. 5 wands for beautiful glowing skin. Since no one, guys. Okay, see you guys before anybody knew it. See you now, okay, in about a second. I am done. Okay. Oh, it kind of lamb guys. My hair zingane, but Mtanakasiswa managed to do the things. So I've been using this for my hairline, and I don't know, I feel like it's kind of working. I feel like there's some hair. See up here. So this is that MPL rice water. I've been using it since I bought it, I think. When? Angsas. Marila still, because I use it with my daughter. Omhle. Mara ise. Sase konyan. You know? But I've decided that I want to relax my hair. Natural hair. It's not for me. And then we've got this one, the black castor oil. It's quite thick, the consistency. Yeah, corn. So I just do this because yar. Why do we say that? Why do we do that? Because yar. Lower sense I learned was slim as a blind. Because manje monga says yar. I'm definitely gonna wear a hat. If I get to manglala pela mina pela ngimncane. I'm young. My God, please. So yeah. If I just go. My hair is quite dryish, especially here in the middle. Okay guys, sorry, I received a call from my cousin because so Kat and I are from the same kasi, like we're like literally a street apart. So yeah, it's just a story for another day. But yeah, just to check up and so yeah, this is me. I'm wearing a hat because I can. And then if I get a totally one, I'm gonna change these earrings, but this is me guys. Yeah. So let me use my lip gloss. Yes. Okay, sharp. Guys, I keep on getting phone calls. I got this recently and absolutely love it. I haven't used it. In my things. But I'm not even gonna take it with me. I have to be Sanjay here. For you guys, because I'm feeling like I said I was gonna change my earrings, but guess I'm. Should I just do this? No. Should I just do this? I don't know. Okay, let me get going. I'm wearing a skirt. Contemplating wearing boots. I don't know. Okay, let's get going. I will see you guys. I don't know. Laters. Oh, and welcome to the new subbies. I see you. Welcome to the Abrams family. See you guys. Good morning, beautiful people. How are you? I'm back. I'm back again with my one earring. Having some tea and some scones that Cal made for me. Say good morning.
Morning.
Morning. I think last time I spoke to you guys was when, I'm not sure. Yeah. I'm not even sure if I should close off this vlog or ngenzenjani because I don't know. I'm just. Oh, you're a marshmallow. You're a marshmallow.
Yeah.
Okay, marshmallow. But it's for your podcast. We'll talk later, guys. It's quite early in the morning.
Why are you wearing this?
So yeah. So the kuluma
This is for sleep.
later. I feel like the turmeric did something for my skin.
This is for school.
I look
This is for
bright and and lovely. Bright and lovely. Okay.
Marshmallow.
I'll see you guys. Let me see if I can push this vlog for today and then I'll close it off maybe namhlanje. And maybe post it on I don't know when. I'll see. Later, guys. See you later, beautiful people.
Bye. Bye, marshmallows.
Bye, marshmallows.
No, she didn't. Do the shots. Go like this.
No, you can do more.
You get it. This. Like what she's doing right now is what everyone's doing. Not me guys. As we need to do this. So let's put your hand right here. Like this.
Man,
And you top up like that. You see like this. You top up like that.
and it actually looks like the form.
It's a proper push-up.
It's a proper
So
form.
by doing this, it's not me bullying. Just do this. Oh, this is bad. When you do this, this is working. This is working. The chest is working. When you do it, fingers.
Yeah.
Fingers. You might even feel the difference. I can't. Literally, when you do it like this, literally, when you
I see what you're talking about.
you see the elbow goes to the side. Now I'm putting that he's
Yes,
gonna
Robert, fast.
get. I'm putting that he's gonna get.
Ngiyaqhubeka and I think enzayo.
I ain't coach out of that one
You
here.
know what it's moving. It's only that was nothing.
I didn't know, man. And you don't have your hands closed up like this. You must have your hands open. Don't close your fingers. Open, have them open. That every weight goes to every finger. Relax, it, man.
What's going on? There we go. We are back, ladies and gentlemen. Those ladies here, Tubbles is here, Neo is here, Fact Checker is here, Simpio is here, and Solianos is
Let me talk to my beautiful people. Forgot my shades at home, at my home. So we were walking down with Cal to get my shades. And I got some ice cream to soothe the heart. Here's Cal.
What's up, fam? What's up, guys?
Not so fast, right?
It wasn't produced properly. It wasn't. What I mean, as such.
I'm so tired, guys. Yo. Let me go get my shades. I'm gonna try to Cheers. Rice, tin fish, and potato. Caught on camera. Nonsigele.
Bambi, man.
Uyavela la ngiphumela. Ukuze kodwa siphumela. No, uyavela la phaya. Drive here to today. I'll try. I'm not yet 18. I didn't tell him, so he must follow instructions. If I didn't tell him, he must not go there. Oh, I see. Just like in the morning. He must do normal. Yes, okay. I get you. Yeah. Stick to the normal routine, unless stated otherwise. Kore vlog ena ke mukbang. Ke mukbang content.
You didn't cook this.
It's hard.
It's tough. It smells so good.
Anaphela ngegama ngiyazazi.
Yo, yes. No ways. Ima ulet. Yabo, that's why ngakufuni la. Ngishilo ngathi singicale ngawo. Cause wow, my sister. My sister.
And meat.
And meat, of course. It's wow.
Thank you. Thank you, mommy.
You're welcome. Do like it. We are recording here.
Paga for everyone.
For everyone. Yes, you can have that one. Ma? Not yet, ne?
No.
So
Selamachi.
Okay. Right. Thank you. Hello, beautiful people. My vlog is all over the place. Yeah, but I'm here to close it off, and then I'm gonna start a new vlog, guys. Yeah. Because I don't want to be absent in the red app streets. I'm going to vlog as much as I can, as much as I did say with him. We are preparing for a funeral, but yeah, I'll vlog nje, yabo, the good parts, even though it's not all great. Yeah, so let me close it off now so that I can upload it today, and then I'll start a new fresh vlog today, because I already have so much content even from the beginning of the week, so it's gonna be a lot. So let me close it off. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy it. I will see you guys in the next one. Love you so much, beautiful people. Ciao for now.